I had to hold a cigarette and I don't smoke at all. So I was really struggling how to hold it. Because you know, अगर आप एक regular smoker है तो एक ease रहता है, आपको पता है. Like if at all smoker, you would naturally know कि you're holding the cigarette like this, जिनका भी तरीका होता है. I was really struggling कि what is looking nicer on camera, comfortable क्या है, मैं इधर blow करूँ इधर. So I was so lost in that, and then he just casually gave me some suggestion where I didn't even have to like do anything. वो किया है उन्होंने कुछ. तो आफ्टर दैट आई एम जस्ट लाइक हाउ, एंड दिस वाज नॉट वंस. इन्होंने 2-3 बार मेरे को कोई ऐसे रैंडम सजेशंस दिए कि आप ना ऐसे करके देख लो, एंड बड़ी क्वाइटली आके ऐसे बोल देते हैं, बड़ी कैजुअली.
कभी मस्ती मजे में पूछा कि डू यू हैव अ फिंस्टा?
I'm sure he has a Finsta. This is my logic. I'm sure he has a Finsta because कई बार उन्होंने बातों ही बातों में कुछ बोला है that yeah, no, I was reading comments below a reel and I was just like, you have an account, and he just smiles. He's got this smirk that he gives. So this is my theory. It's my conspiracy theory कि उनके definitely एक Instagram account है. I think सबसे अच्छी बात ये है कि वो खुद पर बहुत jokes मारते हैं.
He's very Gen Z coded.
Yeah. So इससे पहले कि somebody say something, he will be telling everyone and cracking a joke on himself. And I have a lot of respect for people who do that because I feel like you really are very secure of yourself. I look like Tripti?
Yeah, like the edits.
बहुत नई चीज सुनने को मिली है.
Yeah, I've seen 2 to 3 edits.
I think Tripti and I look very different. And she's a very pretty looking girl, लेकिन हम दोनों बहुत अलग दिखते हैं. Yeah. This is my opinion. I've not had anybody say this to me. National crush ना, I feel हर महीने लोगों के बदलते हैं. Why is it like that? Like why is it like that?
If Bollywood had its own version of Money Heist, which actor would you want as the professor?
As the professor.
And you were the Tokyo in it.
I was Tokyo. Definitely Shah Rukh. I can totally see Shah Rukh be the professor, me be Tokyo. Oh, I can totally imagine this.
This is your host Riya, and today I'm in conversation with this most beautiful lady and the most talented lady out here, Nikita Datta. Welcome to Instant Bollywood.
Thank you. You said most beautiful. I think that's you, but.
Oh, so sweet. But how are you feeling?
I'm feeling great.
Really?
Yes.
Last time we spoke जब हम लोग Waking of a Nation के promotion में थे.
Yes. ये तो अभी बहुत recent बात है
ना?
जी.
Recent. Currently हम लोग मिले थे and we talked about your no vanity look.
Yes.
And the कैसे आपके grandfather जंग लड़े थे.
जी.
How you would love to witness that scenario.
जी.
But there's more to that. हमें पता चला कि आप सैफ अली खान के साथ नेक्स्ट जूल थीफ में नजर आने वाली हैं एंड जयदेव पलावट ऑफ कोर्स. टेल मी अबाउट इट, लाइक हाउ डिड इट स्टार्ट एंड व्हाट्स द स्टोरी लाइक? उनके साथ आप चोरी करने वाले हैं?
So story of course आपको बहुत जल्द पता चलेगी. The film shall be coming out soon. We'll also have the trailer coming out, so I think you get a hint with that. But if I have to tell you about me coming on board with Jewel Thief, I think honestly there's no dramatic story to it. It's very been called that this is a film they are making, and I have gone and met the makers, and the next thing I know I'm a part of it. Of course, I guess there was a lot of work that was done while the writing was happening. There was a little back and forth that they did with my character, which I would love to talk about जैसे ही मुझे सबसे इजाज़त मिल जाए. लेकिन फिलहाल मैं यही कहूँगी कि I think with Jewel Thief I have finally got to play that very Bollywoody heroine on screen, which I feel like शायद अभी तक हुआ नहीं था. वो फाइनली थ्रू जूल थी.
कुछ स्टंट्स देखने मिलेंगे?
वो सब आप एक बार फिल्म देख लेना. बट येस, यू विल गेट टू सी मी इन दैट स्पेस व्हिच प्रोबब्ली आई हैव grown up watching Bollywood.
Wow. But you would love, like you would ace it by doing that.
Thank you. I really wish. You know, in fact, मेरे से बहुत लोग जब पूछते हैं कि what is the kind of genre that you want to do या फिर किस तरह की आप फिल्म करना चाहेंगे, मेरा सबसे पहले जवाब यही होता है that I want to do an action film. Like I want to do an out and out action film जहाँ पे मतलब मैं proper stunts करूँ, इधर air में kick मारूँ 2-3. Like I literally want to do that.
But you manifested it and it is happening. Yes. Kudos to that.
I hope this is that couch जहाँ पर जो बोले सच हो.
Of course, touch wood होना ही चाहिए. But tell me, सैफ अली खान के साथ अभी पिछले कुछ महीनों में कुछ हादसा भी हुआ था. उसके रिगार्डिंग कुछ बातचीत हुई थी आपके बारे में?
The thing is, I mean, everyone knows कि news में क्या है. So I would say whatever's in the news is pretty much that's about it. He's just recently resumed work. So everybody with the film also has very much respected his privacy and his time and his entire recovery period, which I've also done. So I guess Saif would be the right person to speak about any of this, and I would not be the right person to comment on this because I know it's a sensitive issue for them.
But जयदीप पलावट के जो कैरेक्टर्स हैं वो हमेशा की तरह से काफ़ी सीरियस रहे हैं
जी,
एंड सबके दिमाग में वो थॉट है कि यार ये कितने डिसिप्लिन्ड हैं, ये ऑफ कैमरा भी कितने सीरियस होते होंगे. आई वुड लव टू you to break that ice कि is he really that person off camera?
He's not serious like that as a personality. He's actually a lot of fun and in fact इतनी ईज के साथ रहते हैं ना, क्योंकि जनरली आप जब इमेजिन करते हो जो परफॉर्मर्स होते हैं ना, यू वुड इमेजिन कि अगर वो कोई सीन परफॉर्म कर रहे हैं तो अपने जोन में है उस वक्त. बहुत एक्टर्स ऐसे करते हैं कि मैं इस वक्त जोन में हूँ, मुझसे बात मत करो, अलग जाके बैठ जाएंगे, उसमें रहेंगे. अगर उनकी लाइनें बहुत होंगी तो वो उसी हिसाब से सोच रहे होंगे. Everything will be revolving around them. But what I realized about Jaideep is that he has so much ease. मतलब he would be परफॉर्मिंग द मोस्ट डिफिकल्ट सीन, लेकिन वो ऐसे एकदम चिल बैठे होंगे. वो आपको आपकी कोई परफॉर्मेंस देखकर बोलेंगे इसको तुम ऐसे कर लो, ऐसे कर लो. मतलब ही विल जस्ट गिव सम रैंडम सजेशन
and that will work.
I swear that works. He has given me suggestions not once, not twice. I mean, there was one scene in which I had to hold a cigarette and I don't smoke at all. So I was really struggling how to hold it. Because अगर आप एक रेगुलर स्मोकर है तो एक ईज रहता है, आपको पता है like if at all आपको किसी सीन में लिखना है तो वो तो naturally आता है हमें लिखना, right? Like so if at all you're a smoker you would naturally know कि you're holding the cigarette like this जिनका भी तरीका होता है. I was really struggling कि what is looking nicer on camera, comfortable क्या है, मैं इधर ब्लो करूँ इधर. So I was so lost in that, and then he just casually gave me some suggestion where I didn't even have to like do anything. वो किया है उन्होंने कुछ. तो after that I'm just like how, and this was not once. इन्होंने 2-3 बार मेरे को कोई ऐसे random suggestions दिए कि आप ना ऐसे करके देख लो, and बड़ी quietly आके ऐसे बोल देते हैं, बड़ी casually. तो I think I really started looking forward to that. Like sometimes to be like अरे कोई suggestion दिया नहीं है, चल क्या रहा है.
सही बोला, फिर ease है बड़े.
Yeah, he's so much at ease. He's so much. He's the most, like I wouldn't say non-serious, but he's a very relaxed person off camera, and I think that's fabulous because there's already so much stress which is around जब आप shoot कर रहे होते हैं. I mean हमारे इस छोटे से interview के लिए यहाँ पे आपको सामने 5-6 लोग दिख रहे हैं, तो मतलब आप सोचो कि एक set पे क्या माहौल रहता है before a scene.
Exactly.
So it's so nice when you have your co-actor being this relaxed.
Amazing.
Yeah.
And जयदीप के बारे में तो चलो लोगों के फैंस को तो उनके फैंस को तो पता ही था कि हाँ he is playing serious roles and वो ऑफ कैमरा भी ऐसे होते होंगे. But talking about सैफ अली खान, he has no social media. कुछ अंदाजा नहीं है कि वो करते क्या है फ्री टाइम पे, how is he like. बट आपके सामने ऑफ कैमरा बॉन्डिंग कैसी रही थी सैफ के साथ, एंड कभी मस्ती मस्ती में पूछा कि डू यू हैव अ फिंस्टा?
I'm sure he has a Finsta. This is my logic. I am sure he has a Finsta because कई बार उन्होंने बातों ही बातों में कुछ बोला है that yeah, no, I was reading comments below a reel and I was just like, you have an account, and he just smiles. He's got this smirk that he gives. So this is my theory. It's my conspiracy theory कि उनके definitely एक Instagram account है. But Saif is really a lot of fun on off camera because I think our initial bonding has happened a lot while our prep was on. क्योंकि हमने जो initially readings की हैं जिस shoot चालू होने से पहले, it was at his house. So we used to sit on his dining table, me, the director, if the first ADs, and he used to be there. And Saif loves going through lines again and again. Is something I've realized. Like he just loves doing it, and I think that works great because the more you rehearse, just the better it comes out. And बहुत सारा जो आपका prep work है ना, वो उसी time readings के time पे sort out हो जाता है. So when you're actually shooting, it's a lot more easier. So I think those were our most enjoyable times because, of course, we used to have the advantage of eating his home food. Generally, I remember me and all the ADs used to look forward to his lunch menu that used to be laid. And I'm not saying it's any fancy. It's actually very basic घर का खाना, which is also vegetarian because he specifically told me they are all vegetarians for lunch specifically. Like वो lunch के time में कोई non-veg नहीं खाते हैं. So we used to really enjoy that very classic पीली दाल and भिंडी की सब्जी with roti and rice. Like I would look forward to that. So I've had yes. So I've had very good times, doing those reading sessions at his place with the entire team. And apart from that, he is someone I have realized the moment there is any slightly serious scene or even like a little romantic scene that needs to be done, Saif's humor comes out the best at that time. So suddenly you will have him cracking all sorts of jokes which will be funny, lame, witty. It'll be a mix of all of that. बट वो सारे इसी टाइम पर निकलते हैं और वो सुन की आई थिंक सबसे अच्छी बात ये है कि वो खुद पर बहुत जोक्स मारते हैं इससे पहले सो इससे पहले कि somebody say something he will be telling everyone and cracking a joke on himself and I have a lot of respect for people who do that because I feel like you really are very secure of yourself. So yeah, so overall I think it's been a great time being with you.
Amazing. But Nikita, whenever I see you now, you're so fitness freak and you're looking amazing today.
Thank you.
Beautiful. But to be honest, you're so fitness freak. But I want to know, how do you balance? Because आप 6 साल से मैराथन कर रही हैं and now अभी 6th year Mumbai Marathon आप भाग रही हैं and it is so tough because you have to there's so much in your lineup work front पे but you also have to manage your personal life. How do you do that?
10th year of marathon.
Oh yeah.
आज सुबह मैं 5 बजे उठ के भाग के आई हूँ. So I'll just tell you, I feel like there are some things which you do for work and there are some things you do for passion. So I feel like this is running or waking up and doing yoga or working out. It's not work for me and it's more passion related. Like मेरे को याद है जब 2015 से 18 तक जब मैं टेलीविजन कर रही थी तब मुझे बहुत लोग बोलते थे कि I am mad that इस routine में because you are generally shooting 13-14 घंटे. So in that also I would first wake up at like 4:35. I would go to the gym, shower there and then go to set. ये मेरी रूटीन थी तब एंड तब मैं आपको बता रही हूँ इंस्टाग्राम इतना पिकअप भी नहीं हुआ था सो दिस एंटायर ट्रेंड ऑफ कि आप इंस्टाग्राम पे दिखाने के लिए वर्कआउट करो जिम जाओ स्पॉट हो ये सब चीजें एग्जिस्ट नहीं थी तब एंड आई यूज्ड टू डू इट देन सो आई फील लाइक फिटनेस फॉर मी हैज नेवर बिन अबाउट showing off, it's never been about validation, it's literally been about me and myself. तो आज भी मेरा हमेशा से कंपैरिजन अपने वजन को लेके या अपनी फिटनेस को लेके हेल्थ को लेके ओवरऑल इट्स ऑलवेज विद मी वर्सेस मी एंड आई फील लाइक ये एक एरिया है that I have never wanted to take shortcuts in life. Like I remember when जब मैं Miss India के लिए prepare करी थी 2012 में, a lot of people had told me जब तब मुझे काफी वजन कम करना था, तो a lot of people that time told me that इतना क्यों you are like crying about like trying to lose weight and इतना you're making yourself suffer. Like there are other methods, you have pills and of course now there are multiple things that people are on to lose weight. But I don't know why there was a part of me which was just like, no, I always want to do it the right way. Like I know because it's the modeling world and we are aware of it, there are a lot of girls who are into like smoking and doing other things that kind of keeps them skinny. And it's fine, I'm not judging anybody, it works for them, great. But I was like, nahi yaar, like sahi tarike se karna hai. So I feel like for constantly my battle to stay fit is let's do it the right way. Like let's do it the right way. Like I know right now also you have the easy option. Like मैं रात को सो के आ सकती थी 8 घंटा. I can also get on the multiple injections which are very nicely in the market today to give you a chiseled face and a skinny body. But I'm like, no, I like to take the hard way and the right way out.
You have never taken any injection?
For what? For losing weight?
Oh. Yeah.
No way.
Wow.
Why would I take any injection to lose weight? I'm not diabetic. I think also, I mean, we are all lazy as human beings. We love the easy way out. So it's very easy to do whatever people are doing today. But you still have a few fit people out there who stay true to their health and not get into all of this. And not to demean anybody. I'm sure there are people who are in need of it. But then there are also the ones who kind of take the easy way out. And मेरी हमेशा से कोशिश यही है कि सही रास्ते से चलो. Let's not do all of this. Yeah.
That's amazing, yeah. Seriously. मैं अभी reels की जो बात हो रही थी ना, I wanted to talk to you about the कबीर सिंह का फेस, जहाँ पर जब कबीर सिंह के बाद आपको वो नेशनल क्रश का टैग दिया गया था. जब भी निकिता स्पॉटेड होती थी तो फिर वो रील पे आया था नेशनल क्रश स्पॉटेड. तो काफी लोगों ना ये एडिट्स जो बन रहे थे ना वो तृप्ति डिमरी से रिलेटेड बन रहे थे. जैसे कि एनिमल में ये फेस चल गया, आपका भी ये कबीर सिंह का फेस चल गया, तो हाउ वुड यू रिएक्ट टू दैट सिमिलैरिटी ऑल्सो? यही सिर्फ नहीं, नॉट जस्ट करियर वाइज बट ऑल्सो योर फिजिक्स एंड विद मैचिंग विद तृप्ति, आप दोनों लुक अलाइक करते हो as a
I look like Tripti?
Yeah, like
ये
the
तो
edits.
बहुत नई चीज सुनने को मिली है.
Yeah, I've seen 2 to 3 edits.
Tripti and I look very different. And she's a very pretty looking girl, लेकिन हम दोनों बहुत अलग दिखते हैं. Yeah, this is my opinion. I've not had anybody say this to me. Of course, I know comparisons बहुत हुए हैं because I mean it's the same part of Vanga sir's world. And you're coming and playing the parallel lead over there. I guess that's why there were a lot of comparisons. But this is a new thing that I'm getting to hear.
I saw 2 to 3 reels. और उसके बाद I thought कि किसी ना किसी ने तो निकिता को बोला ही रहेगा एक बार.
नहीं. This is पहली बार मैं सुन रही हूँ और देख रही हूँ कोई ऐसा सोचता है. But ठीक है. I mean she's very pretty. Not denying that. But yeah, I'll tell you this national crush now. I feel हर महीने लोगों के बदलते हैं. Why is it like that? Like why is it like that? Like every month somebody is the new national crush, and I don't know, it's something that you know you go and tell your PR team or you tell the media कि तुम लोग मुझे national crush बुलाओ. Like who gives you that tag? I want to understand who gives you that tag. There are so many cute girls out there. यार सबके crush अलग अलग होते हैं, सबका type अलग होता है. So if at all there was a phase where everybody thought that I was the national crush, and not denying that I very nicely enjoyed it. आज तक मुझे जो भी प्यार मिलता है कबीर सिंह को लेकर specifically came very unexpected, but I'm very grateful to that. I'm very grateful. मतलब there's a lot that changed in my life after Kabir Singh happened. So उसको तो मैं बहुत ज़्यादा credit देती हूँ.
Amazing. And that happened, like it was worth the wait.
I don't know if it was worth the wait or not, but I feel like it was one of the films which was very genuinely loved, very genuinely gone and watched by the audience. I mean, in today's time when you don't know what the numbers that are coming from theaters, जो box office numbers आप देख रहे होते हो, आप नहीं जानते उसमें कितनी सच्चाई है, कितना उसको थोड़ा tweak किया है. We all know कि ये सब होता है आजकल. I feel like when you look back and now you can start counting कि हमारे recent times में, like say in the last decade, there are very few films that you think of, you were like नहीं ये genuine hit थी. So I feel like Kabir Singh was one of those which you know was a genuine hit, which you know received love. Of course it received criticism, but it got those views. If today also you re-release a Kabir Singh in the theaters, I know there will be madness, I know there will be craze, and this is not something we will have to fudge कि अरे इसने मतलब उसका थोड़ा double करके दिखा दो. It will, I know it will come naturally.
Amazing. But also you were talking about the television वाला phase जहाँ पे of course आपको 24 hours में से 12 hours आपको रहना ही है on set.
That was minimum.
Yeah, minimum. तो after coming to Bollywood, switching to Bollywood, आपका ये जो schedule हुआ रहेगा वो काफी हद तक easy भी हुआ रहेगा ना?
बहुत ज़्यादा.
है ना?
बहुत ज़्यादा. I feel like इतनी चीज़ें that we face in today's times ना, when I'm like say on set or कोई भी I'm a part of any shoot, मैं हमेशा उन 3 सालों से compare करती हूँ और I'm like अरे वो कर सकते थे तो ये तो बहुत आसान है. Like when we were promoting Waking of a Nation, तो हमने राम सर के 360 के बारे में बात की थी कि वो 360 से शूट करते हैं, कैमरा कहीं भी होता है, उनके टेक्स में कट नहीं होता. So I remember जब पहली बार मैं उनसे मिली थी and he told me कि this is how I shoot. I swear मेरे अंदर का thought यही था कि अरे sir I've dealt with more difficult situations, ये तो कर लेंगे.
ये तो कुछ भी नहीं.
Yeah. So and like if sometimes you are shooting for a film and like they say that sorry ma'am we are going a little overboard, 12 से 13 घंटे shoot हो रहा है. Again in my head I'm like अरे मैंने 18 से 24 घंटे कभी-कभी सेट पे बिताया है, ये तो कुछ भी नहीं है. So I feel like in like wise words of my dad, I remember he used to tell me when I would do television and sometimes I would get like oh my god, like I'm so exhausted. He would just say always think this is your military training. Like how whenever you're getting into the military you have to go into NDA, आप जाते हैं तो आपकी वो जो एक cadet की training होती है ना, in my head I always tell myself this कि जो मैंने TV में 2-3 साल बिताया, that was my military training. And now I finally like had this. So I feel after that anything that I see, anything that I come across, मतलब चाहे आपको एक पेज की लाइनें मिल जाएं जिसमें आपका बड़ा मोनोलॉग है, क्योंकि हमें तो आदत थी कि आप इमीडिएटली सेट पे जाते जाते पूरी की पूरी याद कर लो. So like suddenly you don't have the actor in front of you, you're standing and emoting to a wall उसकी आदत थी. Suddenly आप दिन में 4-5 सीन back to back कर रहे हो. You're going and changing your costume in 2 minutes and coming out. इतनी आदत थी इन चीज़ों की, so I feel anything that comes my way now is very easy to do. Yeah. In fact, I really like the fact that इतना time मिलता है जहाँ पे I'm like, wow, I can actually take my time to prepare and like do something nicely instead of rushing so much.
But love the example जो आपके father ने दिया. It's lovely.
Yeah.
And I was मतलब मैंने जितने भी अब तक actors का interview लिया ना, I have asked them कि which is your favorite couple. Most of them, to be honest, I'm not lying, 90% लोगों ने बोला है कि it's Shahid and Meera, Shahid and Meera. Like 90% of them.
Yeah.
I'm sure आपका क्या, आपका भी वही है. Don't tell me
that.
They're
very lovely together. Yeah. Like in fact, I'll have to go back to Kabir Singh time जब हमने 2018 में shoot की थी, and I guess it was fairly recent when they just gotten married. So I think Shahid had just become a father at that time. So I used to see he was very cute. He used to be on video calls with his daughter at that time. So like I have seen that phase.
So sweet.
I mean, after that I've not had the chance to be on set with him again, but I think that's really cute.
Yeah.
And I personally, the moment I see any genuineness in any couple in person, I'm not talking about social media, because social media I feel हम सब लोग pretend करते हैं. Like everybody is pretending to be this happy and like really successful couple in their own heads. But when I see it in person, I automatically have a lot of love and respect. So I have seen that phase with Shahid and Meera. So of course, I would genuinely say they're very cute.
So sweet. Lovely. How do you like handle those negative comments on social media that you can't avoid, but थोड़ा effect तो I'm sure पड़ता ही होगा. But how do you handle that?
Yeah, I feel like in every person's life who is slightly more famous on social media or has a bunch of followers, you know, there is this point that comes where you do get affected, and I feel that's your deciding point कि आप उसको किस direction में लेके जाते हैं. So I guess I had this point in 2016 जब मेरा एक television show बंद हुआ था, where I got quite a lot of flack at that time, and yes, I did get very affected. It did take a toll on me, because I was just like how is this okay and how is this correct? But I never responded to any of it. And I think the one good thing that did for me is till date आते हैं बीच में कई ऐसे sleazy comments आते हैं, कुछ बहुत random comments आते हैं. You have those things happening. I think till date it has stopped affecting me after that episode. It did affect me then, but I think I overcame it and it stopped affecting me. So if you talk about these things, I feel आपके चाहे अच्छे comments हो चाहे बुरे comments हो, just don't take them seriously. Because आप एक कुछ random चीज़ डालोगे, there will be 100 people praising you. आप कुछ normal regular सी चीज़ डालोगे, saying अरे दिवाली पे crackers मत burst करो, you will have 100 people hating on you. And then suddenly you say something else, you will have 100 people giving you love. The same people. I mean, I feel social media is this place जहाँ पर काफ़ी लोग एक anonymous चेहरे के पीछे बस कभी-कभी भड़ास निकालना पसंद करते हैं. And it's okay. So I guess the moment you take it like that, you will be easy about it.
Of course.
And then also you know where your heart is यार. तुम्हें भी पता है कि अगर तुमने कुछ गड़बड़ की है, तुम जाके defend भी करोगे. You'll also get then you'll get a bot army activated. आजकल तो वो बहुत है.
And these things makes you stronger only.
Of course it makes you stronger. I'm saying just like you should have your dignity. You should know where you're right, where you're wrong, which I feel a lot of people do. I have a lot of respect for people who don't react and choose to stay silent and let time and their work speak for themselves, which I feel is the right way to go about.
Agreed. And tell me honestly कि industry में जाने का plan unexpected था, God's plan था, you were just focused on that कि मुझे करना तो यही है, या फिर backup plan कहीं था पीछे?
1 and 2. It was unexpected, and I feel it was God's plan. Because I mean, I've said this on camera multiple times. I come from a family जहाँ पर सभी armed forces में हैं. My father's in the Indian Navy. My chachu's in the Indian Army. My brother's a Marine Commando. One's a fighter pilot. So we've just grown up in this setup. So for me to really think out of this world, I wouldn't say this is like वो एक होता है ना कि the entire family is into something, so you're also very driven towards that. So I guess for me to think out of this was never a question, which is why the kid in me used to always say that I will also appear for civil services, and you know I will do something on those lines. And I remember जब मैं college में आई थी, my entire you know my entire way of choosing my subjects was this only कि of course I want to do something in economics and कुछ करेंगे इस zone में है ना. तो मेरे दिमाग में कभी भी नहीं था कि I want to be an actor. Never this was the case. In fact, if I tell you something very funny, हमें बचपन से ही newspaper पढ़ना compulsory था. It was one of those things. So it was and we used to have some 5 newspapers that used to come to our house. So it was very important for me and my sister. We used to be given the newspaper कि आपको ये पढ़ना है. So it's like when you're kids, you don't understand news क्या है, but हम लोग बस पेपर लेके बैठते थे कि अभी मतलब बोला है तो like देख लेते हैं. But slowly we got used to it, and I remember ऐसी आदत पड़ गई कि आज तक मुझे आदत है newspaper. Very old school, like I need to read the paper in the morning. Okay, so this is something we were told when we were children, and जब भी हमें newspaper दिया जाता था, तो उसका जो entertainment section होता है, like your Bombay Times, Hindustan Times, I'm not going to say more names. Basically, the entertainment section used to be removed. It used to be removed and given to us कि ये this you don't need to know anything about this world. This is the main news that you need to know about the current affairs. So this was our growing up. So for me to imagine that, oh, I'm going to get into films or I want to be an actor was definitely out of the question. But I feel, as you mentioned, God's plan. I guess this was God's plan, where very nicely it has come to me. I have embraced it. My family has embraced it for me, has fully supported me, and I've landed up here.
Yeah, you're such a beauty with brains now.
If you say so, I'll take it. Thank you.
But tell me honestly, which is that co-actor that you would love to work with him again, because you're so comfortable with him and he really is supporting you in every aspects of career?
My co-actor?
Yeah, your previous co-actors that you would love to work with him again.
I think a lot of them, all of them, yeah. I would really want to work with Shahid again because for anything, I really love Shahid on camera. I think he's one of the finest actors, dancers, one of the good-looking actors that we have. I would love to work with Abhishek again. He is the loveliest person I have met. I have come across, one of my favorite co-actors. I would love to work with Saif and Jaideep again. Jaideep, of course, like you know him to be one of the finest actors of today's OTT platforms that we see. Saif, again, we've like, there's not a single film from like his rom-com days that we don't think about and we don't cherish. So whoever I can see in terms of my filmography, I would love to work with all of them. Yeah.
And like as you said before कि जैसे कि आपको पहले से ऐसे आपको पहले से ही करना था कि एक्शन स्टंट फिल्म में मैं करूं, and now you're doing it.
Yeah.
But I want to ask you that which is that one director that you would love to work with him, because you want to get out of that comfort zone.
Yeah.
Because you want to do it more. You want to explore yourself.
There are lots. I'll be very honest. There are lots. I mean, jitna my film knowledge has told me, my list has just been increasing. Jitna मैं और फिल्में देखती हूँ, पुरानी फिल्में देखती हूँ. So I feel like the blessing of being in a Siddharth Anand film was something on my list that has been kind of tick mark. लेकिन मैंने उस पे और add कर दिया that I want to do more Sid Anand films. If at all Sid you're listening, yeah. So that definitely. But I think apart from that, there are so many out there, and I feel like before before, I mean, I don't know, before like there are less films that they make or anything like that happens, I really want to feature in these kind of films. One would be Sanjay Leela Bhansali, one would be Rajkumar Hirani, one would be Karan Johar. I mean, Kabhi Khushi Kabhi Gham is my favorite film from like, I don't know, age old. Aditya Chopra, I don't know if he's still going to direct something, but love to be a part of his filmmaking world. But these are films I've admired.
Yeah. Keep this manifestation strong.
I hope so. ये couch में अगर ये चीजें सच कर दी, इसका auction होगा और मैं इसको लेके जाऊंगी घर पे.
I'll pray, touch wood. But before we wrap it up, let's quickly do a fun rapid fire.
Okay.
That you would love to answer that quickly. What's your dream collab to work with? So and so actor.
Shah Rukh Khan.
Okay. Your go to comfort place.
My mom's lap.
Oh, sweet. A role you wish you had played?
Something that's offered to me or just any random role? Any random role?
Any random role that you have watched the film and you were like, okay, I wish I would be there.
I mean, I was barely like a toddler or something, but Hum Dil De Chuke Sanam, Nandini. I was obsessed with it.
Oh God. Current song that you're obsessed with?
At the moment, it's this song which it's not like very current. Usko ho gaya thoda time, but it's the song from Bhag Milkha Bhag, the romantic track. Between Sonam and Farhan. It's been trending on Instagram, तो वो मैंने recently download किया है. Rangreez, I think it's called.
I guess so.
Yeah.
Even I can't recall it, but I know what you're talking about. I know what you're talking about. Okay. If Bollywood, have you watched Money Heist?
Yes, of course.
Okay. If Bollywood had its own version of Money Heist, which actor would you want as the professor?
As the professor.
And you were the Tokyo in it.
I was Tokyo. Okay. Definitely Shah Rukh. I can totally see Shah Rukh be the professor, me be Tokyo. Oh, I can totally imagine this.
Amazing.
Yeah.
Nice one, huh? You get an offer to star in an action film, okay? But you can only pick one mentor.
Yeah.
Tiger Shroff or Vidyut Jamwal?
Tiger Shroff.
Okay. You have a time machine and you can go back to any Bollywood set to witness the making of a film.
Yes.
Which one are you choosing?
Lagan. I've seen the making of it on Netflix. There was a film on the making of Lagan, and I think उसके बाद मैं और घुसी उसमें. I would love to be physically present to see.
Really?
Yeah.
Amazing. Imagine you wake up to find yourself in the Big Boss house and Salman Khan is welcoming you. What's your first reaction?
So big fan, but I want to go.
Okay, which one actor or actress you want to give his or her strong comeback in this industry that you would really want him or her to just give it?
I think Imran Khan. Because I mean he's my school days chocolate boy hero. Like I was obsessed with Jaane Tu Ya Jaane Na when it came out. I would really want to see him on screen again, do some rom-coms.
Okay. Lastly, I know your answer, but still, Nikita would prefer doing action film or rom-com film?
Both, yeah.
Really?
Both. I love
you
both. So no, I want to do an action film for like, you know, as an actor. But as a viewer, as an audience, I would really want to do a rom-com because that's what I watch all the time.
So sweet.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, Nikita.
Thank
it
you.
was really nice having you.
Thank you.
And all the best for your future. Touchwood, many are coming and manifestation bhi hoga.
Yes.
Thank you so
ये
much.
couch के ऊपर नजर रहेगी मेरी. I've got my eyes on this.
Yeah. Amazing. Thank you so much, and it was really nice having you.
Thank you. Hi, this is Nikita Datta, and you're watching me on Instant Bollywood.